Ooh, a little bit of Led Zeppelin right there. It just ended
As a music lover, how
since
would you
I've been
feel if you
missing
lost the
you.
music files on your
Anyway,
computer or your pictures and other
I wrote
files?
this poem
Well, with
about
Carpenter
Jack,
Online Backup, your files will be
and
backed
it's
up
Jack, my
automatically. They're
dog.
stored safely off-site.
He's a
It's easy to
big,
get them back.
blue,
Plus, you'll get anytime,
lovable
anywhere access to your backed up files from any
Staffordshire
computer or
Terrier,
smartphone. Unlimited backup
which is really a
just
pit bull.
$55 a year. And
But
as a Pandora
nobody's
listener, you
told
get a
him,
free 15-day
so
trial plus 2
he
months
doesn't know
free
it.
if you decide to buy. Just visit
Anyway,
Cardinite.com and use offer code
the
Pandora.
name of the poem is
Now,
Jack,
back to
my
the music.
dog. I knew a good song here. Anyway, I introduced Jack to my girlfriend. She said, he's got a big old head. Well, that's Jack, my dog, and he's a good boy. That's what I said. Well, he was sitting on my foot, and he was watching her every move. I think he was a little bit leery, because I was too. Well, when he exposed himself to her, I started laughing. I didn't know what else to do. All I could say was, that's Jack, my dog, and he likes to pee in the truck, even though it makes me mad. But he'll look at me with those big green eyes, and it's not so bad. Well, my girlfriend, she said she didn't like Jack. She said he was always staring. I said, well, he likes your perfume, and I do too. Well, she said, Andy, let me ask you something. If I said it's me or the dogs, just what would you do? Well, I looked at her with my big blue eyes, and I passed some gas. I said, honey, you ain't never wagged your tail or bit my ear, so you can kiss my ass. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say. But I said, that's Jack, my dog, and he likes to pee in the truck, even though it makes me mad. But he looks at me with those big green eyes, and it's not so bad. That's Jack, my dog. Jack, my dog.